Failure, a blessing in disguise. Hello, folks. If you're crestfallen, if you want to see a dream and nobody's there to help you, then don't worry, my dear folks. We are here for you. Our motivational videos are exclusive for you. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for getting these helpful videos. We all hate failure. We all are afraid of failure. We all don't want to get even one failure in our life. However, you can learn much more from failure than from success. Yes, all successful people are successful today because they do not get afraid from failure. They take failure as a challenge. They take failure as a lesson, and they did not stop trying until they succeeded to get their goals. This video is all about the power of failure, which you have never thought of. This video is all about sharing those mind-blowing experiences of successful people who got success after failing millions of times, but their failure did not stop them from being who they are now. Paulo Coelho said that the one who falls and get it is stronger than the one who never tried. Don't fear failures, rather fear not trying. You have to accept it. You will fail at some point of your life. You will lose. You will get embarrassed. You will get stuck on something. You will disappoint and you will feel miserable. You will feel more than you succeeded. Acknowledge it. There's no doubt about it. It is inevitable. In fact, fail big, fail often, fail forward. I know it may sound stupid, but that is what all the other successful people said. The greatest successes come from having the freedom to fail. Failure is regarded as the mother of all the successes. Those people who are famous, those people who are successful, those people who are at the top of their career, they all have tasted failure in their lives. In fact, they have failed more than they have succeeded. I'm going to share some real life failure stories of those people who are now successful people. They are role model for many people. They are influential for many people. And people want to live the life that they're living. Who does not know about Michael Jordan? A great basketball player. He would not have become Michael Jordan if he was not getting cut from his school ninth grade basketball team. The other example is Oprah Winfrey. She was rejected and fired many times in her career. She was not considered to be a suitable face for television. Let's take another example of Walt Disney, who is now a big name because of his imagination. You know what? He was also fired from a local newspaper for not having enough imagination. Successful people fail a lot. They fail a whole lot more than they succeed. When they fail, they use the energy from that failure. They use the wisdom from that failure to come around the next phase of success. Failure is a wonderful teacher. It is the only way to learn. Failure is a part of the process to become successful. Whenever someone wants to start a new business, when someone wants to get his or her hand in a new task, they often try to avoid mistakes. The thing is, you cannot get your hands on a new thing. You cannot do new work without making mistakes. Making mistakes is important. Don't bother to avoid mistakes. If you're trying to get expert on something, you will make tons of mistakes, and that is absolutely fine. However, the thing which is important to learn is to learn quickly from whatever mistakes you made. Just don't give up. You have to try to keep running through the walls. You got to take a shot. You have to live at the edge of your capabilities. You got to live where you are almost certain to get failed. You cannot let the fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of embarrassment stop you from doing to get what makes you great. You cannot succeed without the risk of failure. You cannot achieve success without the risk of criticism. You cannot live without the risk of loss. You must go out and you must take these risks. So what you can do is learn from all your mistakes and come back bigger, better, and stronger, so you can lead into the right direction. Look, you cannot make yourself better if you always win. Certainly, we all want to win, but by winning only, you wouldn't improve yourself anymore because you have won already. But there is no place for improvement, but from failure, you can learn many things. The thing which you get after much failure, after much hard work, you would love that. You would value that more, and you would try your level best to maintain that success. The toughest part is not getting success, but the greatest part is to maintain it. As J.K. Rowling said, failure is so important. We all speak about success all the time, but it's about the ability to resist or use failure that often leads to greater success. You know what? J.K. Rowling failed 12 times before publishing Harry Potter. Yes, her script got rejected 12 times before she wrote Harry Potter. You know, Facebook was not the first program made by Mark Zuckerberg. He has made many other programs before he had made Facebook, and he is not one in this journey. People always write about when you get success. When you make it, they will never know your story. Michael Jordan, since he was in his high school and he has only made 146 as alls. He has missed over 700 times, but he has made 146. You know what? They write about when you made it. So what should we learn if we fail and fail and fail? All you have to do is just to make just one hit. The famous American comedian Steve Harvey, during his career, he has been to over 200 pitch meetings to pitch ideas in Hollywood. Out of those 200, they had selected only 5. An interesting part is those 5 had made him a star. From those 200 meetings, from those 200 ideas, only they picked 5, and those were hits. Nobody knows about it because they picked just 5. So when you fall, do not get afraid. It is a part of the process. Every time you fail, you are one step closer. Just keep swinging until you get ahead. Failure is where all of the progress is. All of the successful people, they extract the lesson from their failure. Those who succeed, they do not give up. You have to learn the art of not giving up. When you were younger, you're not afraid of failure. That is how you learn to ride a bicycle. That is how you learn your favorite game. But the problem is, as you get older, you stop trying. You give up early, so don't stop finding out your mistakes and practice to overcome them. Imagine if Steve Jobs were afraid that if people would not like his product, there would be no iPhone. So ask yourself, do you want to be a person who is successful, or do you want to be that person who is afraid of failure? Failure makes you stronger, failure makes you wiser, and failure makes you more jubilant. Because failure is the key to success. Each mistake could teach us something. We hope now you have understood how failure can be a blessing in disguise. And if you like this video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up.